Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we got a super special truck. Highly coveted 1995 Ford F250 extended cab long box 7.3 diesel with a manual transmission. Got Joe here, the owner of many years. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Joe?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Man, what a truck.
Yeah, it is, thank you. And I hate to get rid of it, but unfortunately, the Home Depot runs are over.
Good for you.
So I'm selling it. It's real low mileage. It's got 141,000. People familiar with the vehicle, they know go 500,000 miles with no problem, especially with the way this one is maintained.
Yeah.
If you look at CarFax, you'll see the oil was changed every 3,000 miles with Rotella.
Rotella? You don't have to do 3,000 Rotella.
No, you don't, but I do.
By the way, guys, he owns a big shop, and he's a mechanic by trade. So you want to buy something from a mechanic, that's for sure.
But I'm proud to say the vehicle is pristine.
Right? Freaking awesome. And these things are tanks. It's finished in black. It's got the gray cloth interior. Brand new tires. Four-wheel drive and everything works. Maintained by the man. Mostly all original paint. What a pretty truck. It's a future classic right here. Especially all original.
Yeah, the only modification that was done is the exhaust. Okay. And it's got the Banks exhaust.
Okay, cool. And the motor is pretty much all stock then, right?
Everything is
just the exhaust.
All number matching.
Wow. Got a vinyl tonneau cover on it. Original back bumper too.
Yeah.
That was awesome.
Car's never been, I've never had anything towed with it. I didn't tow anything.
Yep.
It's never pushed snow. So it's just been used as a daily driver back and forth to work in Home Depot.
Yeah, cool. Got the Banks kit, Banks exhaust. See, these tires are like brand new. Super straight, beautiful body. Joe, can you pop the hood? There she is. That sound all day long.
Yeah. It runs like a Swiss clock. It really does. Believe it or not, I get like 21 on the highway. Yeah. And like 14, 15.
Wow, incredible. We should have just put this 7.3 in all the trucks. All the diesel trucks. Beautiful original interior. 142, 656. 5-speed manual. Custom stereo. You guys are looking to build the truck too. There's nothing better than starting from all original. Little pop-in console. Should we buzz it around the block? Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
I can't print it, but I can take pictures of it and I'll shoot it over to you.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh, isn't this, what you call his house?
Yes.
Iced tea or something? That's, 50 cent house. That's awesome.
I don't brag to people about that.
I had to say something.
It's usually here on the weekends. You can see this thing's quiet as a mouse.
So comfortable. Kind of squeak out of it. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, detail on our main website, including that CarFax. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.